Hello and welcome back to KD's Business Tips. Michael Lapide here in a video on how to measure success after implementing accounting tools. So in the last video we talked about implementing new software for your accounting. And now we're talking about how to measure the success of these tools you're implementing. One of the key steps in successfully adopting and implementing any software is measuring its success. Simply buying and installing the new accounting system does not guarantee success, right? You will need to measure these key metrics after implementing the software to know it has been delivered the results you want. Here are the metrics. Number one, what is the time saved on routine tasks? Compare how long tasks such as invoicing, payroll, etc. took before and after adoption. It should have saved staff many hours. Hopefully that's the preference, right? Fewer errors. Were there fewer number of data input errors or mistakes or missed invoices, things like that? After you've implemented, you want to measure that. Did we reduce the errors? 3 is improve in your cash flow. Did we get improvements? Did the automated billing and reminders maybe help payments faster? We want to look at the average daily sales outstanding and measure the efficiency of the collection process. We want to see, is it making a difference? Compliance and better accuracy in reporting. Are all GST, payroll, and other tax filings handled properly? Are they handled on time? Successful implementation means less late payments and better tax compliance and filing on time. Check the usage rates. Are employees using the system regularly? You sometimes implement something and you look, they're barely in there. What's going on? You want to make sure they're utilizing the system. Low usage rates could mean you need more training and maybe you need to adjust your process or workflow. Seamless integration with other systems. Does your accounting tool work well with other digital tools such as payroll, CRM, or e-commerce? Evaluate how that is working with your other softwares or if there is ways to implement integrations with your other softwares. Better decision making. Are the decision making getting necessary reports on time? Is reporting better? Is decision making better? A successful implementation of these new tools should have managers getting the data they need when they need it. Also measure cost versus benefit, the overall. Compare cost of subscription against the benefits of the new tool. Is the ROI positive? If yes, then your new accounting tool is delivering good value. And last is staff and client feedback. Are your employees happy with the new technology? How are they feeling about it? Do they have any feedback? Are they finding the workflow easier, harder? Can they make any tweaks, right? And make sure also checking with your clients if they're seeing any change like invoices and auto reminders, things have changed. Get some feedback. As mentioned, measuring your success of your new accounting tool implementation is a must. You will need to know where you stand on the mentioned metrics so you're able to make changes and improvements where necessary. You will need to make changes and improvements as you go. You'll need to continually monitor it and see what you need to change and improve. Measuring consistently will definitely help you achieve the full benefits of implementing your accounting tool. So measuring consistently, but also following through when you measure as to what the changes and tweaks need to be and having a plan and creating a plan to follow through with that in a timely manner. Thanks for being a part of our KD's Business Tips, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.